Big public service announcement. Today is May 1st. It is a national holiday. Yeah, tell them. Like, I told Aaliyah from like last month that she's gonna be the one making my birthday cake. She obviously...
No.
I have soccer games. I can't do your birthday cake. I have
Soccer games.
Okay, fine. My mom volunteered to make my birthday cake. I definitely believe that I've mentioned this before, but my mom has never made me a birthday cake. Like, you know, handmade ingredients, not even just like from scratch, just like from the box. She's always just bought it from the store. So I asked for a Kinder Bueno chocolate cake. I wrote it down and I made it very clear for them because I'm like, okay, the Bueno filling goes in like that. Crush some Bueno pieces and then you're gonna put the brown butter cream cheese frosting and frost the whole cake. It is very simple. Actually, my mom's been making it all week. She's been stressing me out about the whole cake. Like, she's been like, actually, I just don't have time to make your birthday cake, so I'm gonna have to buy it from the store. All week it's something with this cake. So I think there is no better way to start off my birthday than with a nice, sweet treat. Oh my gosh, is my hand like actually dry and crusty? Yep, yeah it is. Can you stop running up and down? Oh my gosh. Now, add your marshmallows. Came together quite well. Somebody decided to mix the crunchy ones with the good soft sprinkles. Do you see that? Oh my god, you guys, it's a birthday miracle. Only like the good soft sprinkles are coming out right now. Okay, now we're getting into the crunchy hard ones. Happy birthday! It's 11:30. Time to get ready for school. They seem to be a whole lot more concerned with Mother's Day than the obvious national holiday, which is my birthday. Okay, I'm just gonna pretend that I didn't look for like 20 minutes for a book that's not even here. She said there was one left. I'm in the K section and it's not here. Kawakami, Kawabata. This is where all the cat books are. This one looks good. What's that? What is that? Min, what's that? Oh. Just do not smell the water. You'll probably pass away. That. Hey, that's bleach. Don't drink it. Just actually maintain a little distance, please. Here, have the stick. Do cats play fetch? Go get it. Go get the stick. She does. This cat plays fetch. Yo, when it comes to these, they always send you they always have two that literally have a broken neck. Oh, do you want to smell it? She likes it. You can't eat it though. That's where we draw the line. Oh, go see who it is. Go let them in. Oh, come, let's go let them in. Come on. It's sissies. My sisters are here, guys. Hi, guys. Oh my gosh, come in. Oh my gosh.
You're 20?
Happy birthday. Ah! Oh yeah, guys, I didn't actually get to buy my my book. And it had a cuteness black cat on it. Yeah, I didn't get it, so
I left that yogurt store and didn't get the yogurt that I wanted. And then I had a hard time the rest of the weekend.
this is what dreams are made of. Stop eating my flowers, you crazy cat. Why are you punching it? Enough. Hey, I was thinking that she just liked smelling it, but she actually just wants to eat it. Hey! Ow! No, go play with the grass that I gave you. Did you like these? Did you like how these ones smelled? Ah! Come on! No! I said smelled! Stop hitting after it. I mean, they're kind of cute. Is it tea? Are you excited? Okay. Now, if you really squint, it's round. If you really squint.
Happy birthday, dear Lisa. Happy birthday to you.
Miss Michelle has never made a birthday cake before. I can't even cut it. I can't even bring myself to cut it right now. I feel so special, and like I'm actually so blessed today because like this is a miracle. It's 20 years in the making.
Oh my God, you're 20?
Grandma!
Why did I think you was like 15? Oh my God.
Why would you think that? Look at that. All right. No, it's a Kinder Bueno cake. Thank you, and now you do the rest. So exactly how I pictured that she smashed the Buenos and put them in between the cake, but let's see how this tastes. My guess is it's gonna be good because it's a Bueno cake. Mom, this is really good.
Is it?
Thank you.
Who want a flash?
You're 20?
Yeah.
It's okay, no one has to know, baby girl.
Don't call me baby